Hello everybody. So what we are doing here now is making some Pico De Gallo. We're having taquitos, so I'm making that to go with them. So what we have is diced up tomato. I have half of a diced up onion. I have 2 cloves of garlic. You can use as much or as little of any of this stuff as you like. And I have 1 diced up, veined and seeded jalapeno. It was a big one. So now what I'm going to do, get a spoon. And we are going to add just a smidge of cilantro because I'm just not the biggest cilantro fan. Just a teaspoon or so of lime juice. And then the salt is the key to this. If it's not tasting right to you, it needs more salt. So salt it to taste, literally, and it's done. We'll let it set for a few minutes, but Pico De Gallo is nice, you know, fresh. That's the point of it. Over salsa, which I have as well if you want that. So that's it. Get you a tortilla chipper or something like that. Give it a taste. See if it needs more salt, and I'll do that now. Actually, just taste it. Yeah, I think this has enough salt. That jalapenos are a little spicy. So yeah, just mix it around for a minute, get it all coated with the salt and the lime juice and caterpillar poop, and it's good to go. So if you have any questions, let me know. Post them down below. A thumbs up really helps me out, and if you haven't subscribed, think about doing that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.